we're told the time in hours that 3 students spent on a project are represented below. Each large square represents 1 hour. Order the students by the time spent on the project from least to greatest. So pause this video and have a go at that before we do this together. All right, now let's do this together. So let's see who did the least. And this first block here, you could view that, well, actually, when we just visually look at it, we can immediately see that Ara and Vera did a whole hour, and then they did a little bit more, while Liam didn't even quite do a whole hour. If we were to write the amount of time that Liam spent, it looks like this whole is divided into tenths. There's 10 equal rectangles, and 9 of them are filled in. So this is 9 tenths. Oops, you can't see that. This is 9 tenths of an hour, which is equal to, we could write it this way, 0.99 tenths. So the least is Liam, because we're trying to go from least to greatest, so we've used Liam already. So now let's compare Ara and Vera. They both did a whole and then some, so let's compare the then some. Ara did 1 and then how many hours? So it might be a little hard to see, but this is divided into tenths. There's 10 equal rectangles here, and if I look carefully, it looks like 5 of those 10 are colored in. So this is 1 and 5 tenths of an hour, or hours, I should say, which is the same thing as 1.5. Well, if I look at Vera, it looks like we definitely have that 1, we have that whole, and then here, looks like we have 10 hundredths completely filled in, 20 hundredths completely filled in, 30 hundredths, 40 hundredths, and then 5 more. So it looks like 1 and 45 over 100, which is the same thing as 1 and 45 in hundredths, or 1 and 4 tenths and 5 hundredths. So if we were to compare between Vera and Ara, if we just go to the tenths, Vera didn't get to 5 tenths. She's a little bit below 5 tenths. She's at 4 tenths and then some. So Vera is the next smallest. So I will write Vera here, or I could say is also the next larger one than Liam. And then the person who spent the most time studying, or on the project, that's what we're measuring, spent the most time on the project is Ara, 1 hour and a half. And we're done. We've used all of them.